ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt and we're doing another of our videos about counting and numbers and sentences. So this one is about one of my favourite words. When I discovered this word I was thinking, yes, that is so useful for teachers. And the word is mea. Lots of people don't realise what that word means, even though it's in a song that many teachers know. E toru ngā mea. And so you might know that song as well, but did you know that this means things? We have already been talking about what this means. 3 something or others, e toru ngā pene, 3 pens, but in this case it means 3 things. E toru ngā mea, 3 things. If we wanted to ask that question, we would say, e hia ngā mea, how many things? E toru ngā mea, 3 things. Okay, so why this is really helpful is that the word mea, I find, is so useful when we don't know the Māori word for something. And it's really good for keeping on practicing colours and using sentence structures, even if we don't know the words and the vocabulary for the things that are around us. We don't need to if we know the word mea, and I'll show you what I mean. E hia ngā mea, how many things? Karaka. E hia ngā mea karaka. How many orange things? Tahi, rua, toru. E toru ngā mea karaka. So we're saying how many orange things? E hia ngā mea karaka. And for the answer, e toru ngā mea karaka. I'll write that up so you can see that written down. So the question was, e hia ngā mea karaka. And the answer was, e toru ngā mea karaka. So that meant how many orange things, and the answer was 3 orange things. Same would be true, the exact same sentence structure. E hia ngā mea kōwhai. How many yellow things? Tahi, rua. E rua ngā mea kōwhai. Same for pink things. E hia ngā mea mawhero. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima. E rima ngā mea mawhero. So, if you've got an imagination, you can imagine what I think of next, which is to put lots of coloured things down on the table or on the floor, and we can make a game of it. So we can make a game using 2 sentence structures, because we've already done a video about the sentence structure for homai. So I'll just write down this one. Homai ngā mea, and whatever colour, and that means give me. Okay, this one is how many, and this is give me. So let's say we've gathered a whole lot of things down here on the table, and there's black and there's yellow and orange and red and green and lots of other things, and we're thinking, let's practice some sentence structures, speaking out loud, and pass the sentence structure around the circle of people. And we'll start with me, and I'm going to say, e hia ngā mea, how many things? Kōwhai. E hia ngā mea kōwhai. So somebody will pick up the yellow things and go tahi, rua, whatever number there are. And then they can say e rua ngā mea kōwhai, meaning 2 yellow things. And then I could say kia ora, thank you. Homai ngā mea kōwhai. Give me the yellow things. Homai ngā mea kōwhai. And then that person could ask the next person, e hia ngā mea, and they can choose a colour. Perhaps they might say mawhero. E hia ngā mea mawhero, how many pink things? And that person would count the pink things, tahi rua, toru wha rima, and then the person would say, ho mai ngā mea mawhero. And that could go round the circle until all the coloured items are picked up. And then you're using two sentences which are actually very similar, practicing your colours, practicing your sentence structures, and your brain is hearing your mouth speak. It would be a good game to do with children, it would be a good game to do with other adults that you're practicing your reo with, and just thought I would share that with you because the word mea is a great saviour. When you don't know what something is, you could just describe it. Oh, te mea nui, the big thing. Te mea pango, the black thing. So something or other about that item can be described by some of the words you know. Obviously the first step is to then find out what the word is, but in the meantime there's nothing to stop us playing this game. Hopefully that will help you. Let me know. Ka kite.